Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If I put number 0 gone here, here and here, we have 0 over 0. So in this situation, we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. First derivative of s, you got about number 1. First derivative of sine s, you got cosine s. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s, and this one we have cosine s. Now we can put number 0 gone here, here and here. So we have 1 plus 1 over number 0 minus number 1. So we have negative number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.